What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Life's a Dance podcast. I am your host, Trey Culata. Thank you, as always, for joining me, pressing play, and supporting the channel and yourselves on this journey through untangling all the crazy shit that goes on in our heads and in our lives so that we can live our lives with more joy, be our most authentic selves, and live our most authentic lives possible. So again, thank you. Today's going to be a short one, but it's one that I'm really excited about because it's something kind of new and quirky that I just read about. There's a new moon happening tomorrow, June 25th, and it's new moon in Cancer, so it's an especially powerful new moon because Cancer is actually ruled by the moon, so it's almost like, double whammy, femme fatale type energy, and really connecting. It asks us to really connect with our vulnerability and our emotions. And anytime there's a new moon, it's the beginning of a new cycle. So we are asked during this point each month, it's a great time to plant the seeds of intention of what you want to manifest in the weeks ahead, or what you want to see happen, something that you may want to see grow in your life. So anyway, I was reading up on this new moon and I came across a recipe for something called new moon water. And it sounds like some really stupid ass woo-woo shit, but I don't care. I'm going to try it. So basically, I'm going to share this recipe with you guys today. I'm going to experiment with it. I'm going to ask you to do the same and then report back to me on if anything cool happened to you during the month of July. So it says you have to take a clear container. If you're watching me on YouTube, you can see I've got a clear mason jar here full of purified water. And you have to find a clear jar with a lid. Fill it with purified water. Then write your intentions down on a piece of paper. I have mine right here. I'll share the first one with you. So my first intention is to experience and live in the vibration of abundance. As you guys know, if you've been listening to me over the past couple of months, it has been very difficult for me to align with the frequency of abundance. And all of us are all we are is just one big, field of magnetic energy. So whether we like it or not, we are putting off an electronic signature into the universe, into the source, the network of energy that is all-knowing and all-powerful and unfathomable in its size and scope. And my vibration has just been all fucked up lately. So that said, that's a big one. So you write down your intentions. I have 3. And, you could do more, you could do less, whatever. And it says that you should fold this piece of paper up 3 times towards you. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to fold up my piece of paper. And then what you do after that is, and I guess, I don't know, maybe the towards you thing is important, but I'm just going to go with it. I think it must be. And then what you do is you cover the jar, put it outside so that it can soak up all the new moon energy. And you place your piece of paper underneath it, put the water on top. And then it also says that you can surround it with some crystals if you want. I mean, I don't know how many of you out there are into that kind of thing, but I mean, it can't hurt, right? So I've got some quartzite here and some, I forget what this little gold guy is called, but he's supposed to bring like positivity and stuff. And then I have a unicorn one that's like purple and pink that the girls got at the Museum of Science or something. So anyway, why not? I'm going to put some gems around it. I'm going to put it out there tonight because you can channel and tap into this energy 2 days before and 2 days up to 2 days before and up to 2 days after the actual occurrence of the new moon, which happens tomorrow. So anyhow, new moon water, guys. I mean, what will they think of next? I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to experiment with it, see what happens, see if it helps me, clarify my vibration, if it helps me align more. I mean, at the very least, I've actually physically written down some intentions, which is always a good thing. So at the very least, if that's all you get out of it, then hey, fucking bonus. Let me know what your experience is with this little experiment and this little cocktail. Oh, and I guess after you're done making this brew, because you let it sit out there for a couple of days, you are meant to drink it, or I guess you could water your plants with it or make some tea with it, so you can actually like ingest the good vibrations of the new moon. So don't forget that step. I'm glad I remembered that. It's, I guess closing the loop on that whole creating the new moon water brew. So anyhow, have fun with it. Post, tag me, whatever, if you end up trying this thing. And yeah, I'll report back and let you know how it went for me. That's going to do it for today, guys. I love you all. Until next time, let's dance.